Hello and welcome to another video. Today you're going to see the location and removal of the heater, blower motor and resistor from the Peugeot RCZ. Starting off, we'll need to remove the glove box. To the bottom there will be clips on the glove box that we need to remove so we can have access to the torque screws underneath this little cover, or it's rather big. We need to remove the glove box to have access to the blower motor and the resistor, and you will see shortly. Unplug the courtesy light, and there will be the torque screws that we need to remove. Now on the side, we'll need to remove this cover here on the dash so we can unclip the side of the glove box, which are over here. With a flathead metal screwdriver, just unclip. Next, we'll remove the inner courtesy light with a tool, go in between there and pull it out from that side, and then it'll come out and you will need to unplug the glove box courtesy light. Next, to the top of the glove box, when you open the glove box lid, there will be 4 torque screws that you'll also need to remove. I believe these were all T20. And then once you remove these screws out, when you give the glove box a little pull, it will come off quite easily. If you have found this video helpful so far, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And moving onward, now that we have access, here is your blower motor, and then underneath it is your resistor. To remove the blower motor, you'll need to unplug by pressing on both sides to detach the plug. To the top of the blower motor, there will be a release tab. Pull that one and turn it anti-clockwise or to the left, and then wriggle the blower motor out. It is quite easy to do. The resistor is a bit more tricky because you'll need to partially unscrew a bracket. Now we will unplug the resistor. To release the resistor from position, you have to push it upwards and then pull it out. The problem is the heater core pipes get in the way. So push it upwards to release. When you want to put it back in, you push it down. Now as you can see, it's getting stuck on the heater core pipes. That black bracket we will need to remove with a 1/4 inch. Just partially remove the screws. There's 2 of these, one to the top and one to the bottom, and then you would have a bit more space to wriggle the resistor out. Thank you for watching. I hope you have found this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment and most importantly subscribe to support the channel, and we will see you in our upcoming videos.